advisory is canceled. Flood waters have receded. The heavy rain has ended. Flooding is no longer expected to pose a threat. Please continue to heed remaining road closures.
What the heck? Whoa!
The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harnett County in central North Carolina, northeastern Lee County in central North Carolina, southwestern Wake County in central North Carolina, southwestern Durham County in central North Carolina, eastern Chatham County in central North Carolina, until 6:15 p.m. At 5:25 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Chapel Hill to 7 miles south of Carrboro to near Pittsboro, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Sanford, Pittsboro, Garner, Fuquay, Varina, Angier, Apex, and Holly Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Straight line winds can blow down trees, power lines, and damage mobile homes and other buildings. Seek shelter in a sturdy structure until the storm has passed. Stay away from windows as flying debris generated by damaging winds can be deadly. The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harnett County and central North Carolina, northeastern Lee County and central North Carolina,